This is 3-axis gimbal. 3-axis gimbal tripod. So guys, we're gonna be unboxing this right now. So guys, after unboxing this is what we got. It's like this. Let me quickly lose this. It was placed just like this inside this box, just like this. This is the way it is. Then this one was covering it like this. This is the carton. This is the manual, nothing else. So if you wish, you can go through the manual to also see some certain things, but what I'm seeing here, seems like everything is written in Chinese. Everything is written in Chinese with some illustration, some drawing illustration, that kind of thing. So that is it. So as you can see, this is what we got here. You can go through the manual and see the works of everything. Is written in Chinese, but the drawing, you can follow the drawing and do some other necessary things. So let's still go in. And here it is, and other things. So we are done with this. Let's keep it aside. So I've already charged this. I bring it out and I also charge it, and make sure that I charge it until the red light turns green. Understand? It turns green. So before I start making use of it. So if you get yours, try and charge it till the red light turns green, to show that the battery has been full before you start using it. And another thing, as you can see over here, see the instruction they put up here. They said no mobile phones installed. Do not turn on this device. So please do not turn it on before you place in a mobile phone. Place your mobile phone, then you turn it on. Because why? I tried turning it on without installing my mobile phone. The stuff was shaking. The thing was vibrating seriously, like started vibrating so seriously. So you must attach your phone before you start making use of it. So another thing here is that before you as you attach your phone this way, let me go ahead and do this. If you attach your phone this way, it's not the phone I want to use for this shot. As you attach your phone this way, as you can see, even if you on this thing now, this phone won't stand so suitable. It will just be jingling up and down. So for this to stand very suitable, you have to adjust this. Look at it here, this button. You have to lose it a little bit, then adjust this back, then tighten it back. Tie this back so that your phone can stand firmly. So after doing this, you can go ahead and press this button. As you can see the power sign here. Use this power sign. This is the power button here. Just press it and hold it down. So as you can see, the thing is on now. So you can see now. So because the phone is not on, I can't connect it to the Bluetooth. I'm just using this phone as an example. The phone is bad, so it's not working. I'm just using it as an example. Later on, I'll just make a video putting on my own phone and show you guys. So this is what it looks like. You can look at it. So any angle you take your hands to, you can see it follows you. It follows you to wherever you want to film it to. You can see it turns automatically. Then other things is that this is where you can take your pictures. Then you can also use this one to do the direction. As you can see that. Then see that from here you can do like this. You can do like this. You can as well move up or move down. So guys, you can, this is it. And if you want to stand this on your desk, on your table, you can use this. It came with this also. Look at it here. You can attach this under here. Look at the hole here. You can attach this, and you can as well use your, your tripod, a longer tripod, to tie this here. So if you want to put it on top of your desk, maybe you want to use it as a tripod stand to video yourself, you can put this here. Just tighten it this way. Once you don't tighten it, then spread the leg. You can see, you can stand. So though, but the phone I'm having, it carries it, but it's somehow like as if you want to fall, but it's not falling. so that is it guys for this one today. And how much this thing cost me in Nigerian currency is both the importation fee and everything. It cost 45k. I will be putting the actual amount in dollar in this my video. So it cost me 45k to get this. It's not the cheapest and it's not the most expensive one. We have most expensive one, the ones that can rotate 360, because this one in particular cannot rotate 360. It can only rotate for, maybe should we say kind of 120 degrees or 160 degrees, but doesn't rotate 360. They have the ones that can rotate 360 angle. So that is it guys. This is all I have to show you for now. Until next time we meet again. Thank you guys for watching. If you wish to purchase this, I will leave the number of the person I purchased mine from. If you wish to purchase, I will leave the contacts in my description, so you can call him. They deliver anywhere as far as you are in Nigeria. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the thumb button and click on the notification bell. And if you wish to ask me any question concerning this, you are free to drop it via the comment section. Thank you for watching.